Alright, what's going on? This is Mr. Lee again, and I got another video for y'all. Today we are going to learn how to use Windows Movie Maker, but from a really basic standpoint, you know, as it pertains to the video projects that you're going to be doing in Smart Lab. So we're just going to begin. So just going to pull up Windows Movie Maker. It's actually right there. Okay, so what I'm going to be going over today is adding videos to your project, adding slides and visual effects, and also saving your video. Okay, so adding videos is pretty simple. If right now we are in the home tab, as you can see, we have a button over here that says add videos and photos. So I'm going to click that. Now, your videos are going to be saved in different places. It should be either in the D drive, the data part 1 drive, or the transfer drive. But mine, my files that I'm going to be using for this video is actually on my desktop. So I'm just going to navigate to my desktop, and I'm going to select the first video that I want to put into the project. So once the video is loaded, this is how it looks. All right. So what we're gonna do is I don't want it to just start. I don't want the video to just start where the slide starts. I want to add like a little transition slide. So that's what I'm gonna add here. So you can add a title, you can add a caption, you can add credits at the end of your video. I'm just gonna add a little title. All right. So this comes up. You have a place to edit. You have a little text box over here where you can edit what you want your slide to say. I'm just gonna put snap circuits, two-way switches. Okay. And now, as far as transitions and how it's gonna come in, you know, there's a whole bunch of effects that you can choose from in the effects section. All right, we're under text tools, under format. You can choose how the text comes in. All right, so I'm gonna go back to, yeah, it should be good. Something simple. All right, video edit. So I don't want the video to be on this particular slide for too long, so I'm gonna make this about 5 seconds. So here's where you can always preview whatever you create or whatever you add to the video. So I'm gonna click this play button. Hey, what's going on, y'all? And then, as you can see, it just kind of starts right into the video. All right, so I'm gonna add some more stuff. I'm gonna add something towards the end over here. Oops, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna add another title slide in, just to serve as a buffer, because I'm gonna be transitioning into another video clip. So I'm gonna add another title slide. So here's a title slide. So notice how it pops up right next to the original one that I made, but it's okay. All I'm gonna do is slide this down to the bottom. Oh, hold on. There you go. So now I'm gonna add my text. Can't really see it here. See it. But my next one is gonna be single hole throw switch function. Put this closer to the middle. I'm gonna preview it. Alright, and so that kind of just lets the audience know that, alright, something else is coming up, or I'm gonna go more in depth on something. So now I'm gonna add my second video where I'm actually going in depth on the throw switches. Going in. Alright. And then I'm gonna so let's say I'll end the video at the end of this second clip, I'm gonna add another little title, kind of saying like, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Now the letters don't always come up light like that. You can change the letter, you can change the font color. For one, make this a little bit bigger. Then over here you have a bunch of different text options. Like once again, you have the effects over here. You can change the start time, like what time you want the slide effects to actually start in the slide. You have your video editing tools here. Like I said, I'm not gonna go too much in depth. I just want to give y'all the basics so that you guys can at least create simple videos of your presentations. But that's pretty much what you can put for the last thing. And saving your video. Alright. So once you finish adding the video clips and you finish adding your presentation, the little slides in there, saving your video is going to be pretty simple. You're going to put save movie. Alright. And then you're going to put for computer. Alright. And then you would save your video. You can save it as your name. Put Mr. Lee video presentation. Mr. Lee video presentation. And where you're going to save it, you're going to save it in part D, in the data part D file, so that you don't lose it. So it just takes a little while to save. Just going to fast forward this. Okay, so I just kind of cut the video for a second while the video finished formatting. So this little dialog box comes up, and you can either play a video, open it in the folder. I'm just gonna open it in the folder just to make sure my video is saved. And as you can see right there, Mr. Lee video presentation is saved in the D drive folder. So it's saved as a WMV file, Windows Media Audio Video file. So these type of video files is great for YouTube, which is what you guys are going to do. You're going to upload your videos to the class YouTube account and then post them on your websites. Alright, so hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, obviously come to my desk. Alright.